So I hope everyone is doing well. So today I would like to give a demo about performance testing and engineering and how the demand in the market and what is the advantages if you learn this training and how many days it will take. And I would like to introduce myself also. So please try to listen carefully, and if you have any doubts, any questions, any information you need, you can ask me once the demo is completed. Okay, so we'll start the demo. So the agenda for the demo is like this. So about myself and whatever the achievements I have achieved from the last 12 years, and what is the aim and motto of the training, and how the demand of performance testing in the market, and etc. These are all the listed agenda for the today demo session. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. So I'm a BTech graduate. My name is Vidya. I hope everyone know. So I'm a gold medalist with that 12 years of experience into IT industry. I have worked on both product based and service based organizations. And also currently I'm working on one of the top MNC that is product based. And I'm proficient in performance testing and engineering. So I have worked on various tools. Those are like LoadRunner, JMeter, NeoLoad, and also VSTS also I have worked on. Apart from that, I have well versed on end-to-end performance testing lifecycle. So I have involved on how the POC will happen, how the planning will happen, how the performance testing designing, how the scripting will happen. So all end-to-end executions, reporting, identifying the bottlenecks, and performance tuning also I have involved on. So I have worked on various protocols. So I hope these are all the terminologies are new for you, but I need to introduce, right? So I'm including all these points. So web HTTP, HTML, Flex, Ajax, True Client, web services, API testing, JDBC, FTP, LDAP, DNS, and simple mail transfer protocols also have worked on, and like message queues. So different kind of challenges also I have handled. So apart from that, like I have also expertise on different type of monitoring tools. Those are like Wiley Introscope, AWR reports, Dynatrace, Perfmon, Grafana, with the different data sources like Prometheus, InfluxDB, etc. So I have implemented my own utilities. So why utilities means like to showcase myself and to showcase something new to the company. So I have implemented different utilities using Java code and VB code. So I have good knowledge on Java and VB as well. Whatever the performance reporting we will do manually. So whole process I have automated, and I have implemented the best industry practices. I will give you a guidance with best and easy way to learning the JMeter. So, and I'm having excellent knowledge on Groovy scripting, VB scripting, and also Bean Shell. Okay, so apart from that, integrating tools like Jenkins, we can also integrate with Jenkins, Prometheus, Dynatrace, AppDynamics. So I have always involved on that. Apart from that, like I'm a patient player and I'm a student-friendly trainer. So whenever I feel like to if any student is interested to learn anything more and a depther way, definitely I can help you to achieve your goal. And apart from that, like I have involved on various type of executions, load test, capacity, stress, endurance, failover test, etc. And I have also involved on mainly tuning, like performance tuning, like thread dumps, heap dumps, memory leak, garbage collections, like profiling tools in the sense like JVisual VM, JProfiler, or Eclipse Mat, and also MuleSoft, Anypoint. These are all the different kind of monitoring tools, right? Like logs, analytical tools, all these things. So this is about myself. So before moving to the next slide, everyone is comfortable with English or anyone is interested on Telugu as well? So I would like to know this point also. If anyone need Telugu, just post in the chat so that I will include both English and Telugu so that everyone will be flexible to understand whatever I'm trying to explain. Okay, so I hope everyone is understand English. So if anyone having concerns, you need it in Telugu, just ping in the chat. Yeah. So these are my achievements and accolades. So I have secured a first place in the academic whenever I have completed my BTech. So I am a gold medal. I have received a gold medal from our Honorable Minister Sabita Indra Reddy. So apart from that, I have received a great work excellence awards, hardworking awards, great work awards, etc. So innovations in the sense like I have involved on implementing the reporting, as I said, right? So utilities implementation. For that, I have received an silver medals as well. Apart from that, like great achievement awards I have received on. So this is about my achievements. I can say
దానికి
proud.
కూడా కాల్ వచ్చింది. దానికి వచ్చినాక
Please,
నీకు వచ్చింది.
please be on mute. I'm getting a lot of disturbance. Yeah. So with my training, so a lot of people are made a success record. So without any interview support, without any subject knowledge, okay. So they have joined in my training. So with my classes, they have placed in very good organizations. So till now, after starting my training, so almost 4+ to 5+ years before I have started my training. So after started my training, almost I have trained for 500 to 600+ people, and I have helped them. Out of 600 people, almost 350+ people got placed in very good organizations. They are able to survive and they are able to supported me till now. Everyone is encouraged me to keep in me in a good position. First of all, thanks every student to make me success in this trainings, and everyone is supported and everyone is very encouraged. So whatever I am teaching, the students is also learning and they are responding to my classes, and everyone is submitting the practice sessions so that everyone is able to attending the mock interviews as well. So I'm very happy to hear that. I hope in future also whoever today in class they are joined, so they are also interestedly joining my classes, and they are also make a success like the previous completed batch students. So these are the list of students. I have mentioned only few names. So apart from that, a lot of names is listed. So recently also a lot of people got placed and they are able to survive without any work support and without any interview support. They got placed with my guidance. If you really need any one-on-one guidance also, please feel free to reach out to me. Not a problem. I will definitely guide you and help you. Okay. So this is the success record of performance testing training. So my main aim and motto is like to setting the performance testing career. So I know some people are working, right? Few people are working in non-IT domain. Few people are working on like different organizations with different domains like automation or ETL, other testings. But this performance testing, I can say it is a very easy, and by learning this performance testing, you will have a good future. At the same time, you will have a good packages, because this performance testing is not that much coding. So it was, I can say in one word, less coding and more career opportunity domain. Okay. So the main prerequisites for this training will be like you have to complete any BTech graduate, BC, MCA, MSc computers, BCA, any full-time degree, anyone is fine. You can happily join this training. So you can also freshers also you can take a trainings, not a problem. Okay, so recent year passed outs with any career grabs, any manual testers, any whoever interested to change their domain. So this will be really helpful. Even BPO non-IT employees also, you can just change it from one domain to another domain also. It was very helpful for you to learn it. Okay, so this note is not a mandatory. Okay, so if you have any basic programming skill, that will be good. If you don't have, also not at all a problem. I will help you to learn those things also. Okay, I will provide you the SQL knowledge, I will provide you basic Java, basic C. Okay, in this training it will be covered, not at all worry. Okay, so and also I will include demo scripts, at the same time real time also available. So real time project also I will provide you. You have to practice it and you have to submit the real time project to me. Okay, so please focus on day to day practicing. So we will provide you 100% placement assistance, but one condition: whoever join classes regularly, whoever attend the classes, and also practices is very very important. Without practice we also cannot help anything, right? So that is it is for your future only, just for encouragement. Okay, so please attend the classes daily, and please complete the practices. What is the task I will provide, try to complete it and submit it. And once the course was completed, once you completed the real time project and submitted, we will conduct a mock interviews. Okay, so once the mock interviews was completed, based on the mock interview selection, we will place you into the good organizations, because we are already tie up with other MNCs. We are having a good tie-up with other MNCs. I hope everyone know nowadays the market was not supporting. Actually, performance testing was having more demand, but due to these holidays, like as everyone know, in December US complete holidays, and everyone is in holiday mood. And January, I hope everyone knows Sankranti will be there. So from February again, the calls will be starting. Okay, and the market is also up. So meanwhile, your focus is try to learn this course, and you have to be ready whenever you get a calls. Okay, meanwhile just focus on learning, mainly just focus on how to send a mails. Okay, so and how to communicate, how this software, in the sense communication is very important, right? So just try to learn the communication skills, try to see the YouTube videos, like how to reply the emails, how to if any person in your team will messages you, in how polite way you have to respond it. Just focus on all these things. I will guide you always, I will help you. And in this part of training I will cover both LoadRunner and JMeter tools. So performance testing, in the sense JMeter tool and LoadRunner tool, two tools we will have. Okay, so JMeter, LoadRunner, both tools together, it will took 60 to 70 days. Okay, so it is complete package. It includes both JMeter and LoadRunner. It will take almost 60 to 70 days. So if it is a one tool, definitely it will take 30 to 35 days. So it will has a lot of course content as well. I will show you the course content also. Okay. So how the demand in the market? I would like to talk few words, because this is very important, right? So you are newly learning and newly entering into the software. So I would like to explain how the remuneration and how the demand in the market. Okay. So if it is a service based company, okay, so example service based companies are like TCS, Capgemini, Wipro, all these things. So if a fresher is entering to the performance testing, the basic salary will be 3.5 to 4.5 lakh. It is a minimum salary. And if you have a 3+ years of experience, 10 to 12 lakh, you can get a salary with this service based. And coming to product based companies, there is a big organizations. So compared to service based, product based companies will provide more salaries than service based. And you will have there is no bench system in the product based organization. If you have a good knowledge, if you have a technical terminologies, definitely you can get an opportunity on product based as well. So in this freshers package will be 4 to 5 lakh, and 3+ years you will get 10 to 14 lakhs per annum. So this is about the remuneration in the market. So in the market, a lot of testing tools we have, right? Automation testing we have, and performance testing, manual testing, and security testing. Like this, we have a lot of different type of testings. I hope everyone know automation testing in the sense Selenium, right? So Selenium in the sense you need to learn Java, you have to learn Eclipse and Selenium tool. All these are the different type of tools. So here you have a lot of coding also. It was completely pleasurable, and you will feel little tension also, right? So compared to Selenium, this performance testing is a easier one. Okay, so no need to learn any that much coding. Okay, so it is one process. If you know one time end to end process, that process will be repeated in any organization, but you have to know end to end process, how the process will be. Okay, so and apart from that, like if 400 openings is there for automation testing, okay, 450 students is there. Okay, for example, 400 openings is there, 450 students means that 400 openings will be already occupied by 400. The 50 people were same like that left over. But coming to performance testing, 1000 openings is there, only 500 employees is available. Okay, so there is not much employees are available for performance testing. So that is the reason everyone is focusing and interestedly learning on the performance testing. Okay, so you have a lot of openings. Okay, lot of growth and demand in the market. So that is how the performance testing remuneration in the market. So let me show you the course content. So yeah, so previously I used to take this course content, but every batch wise course content I'm changing and topics I'm adding, and lot of as much as content I would like to give you the students. So that is my main aim. So these JMeter training. First, I would like to cover the JMeter course content. Okay, so JMeter is having core to advanced day-wise topics I have listed in the course content. So I will share you this course content also in the management will share with you, not a problem. Okay, so the main thing here is these topics may not be match the exact day, because day to day, based on your learning, based on your questions and doubts, will move one day that side and this side, but I will completely cover all the topics. Okay, I will completely cover all the, I have mentioned here module wise. Okay, so in the first we will start with basics, and once the basics was done, we will enter into the module 1, and in module 1 these are all the topics I'm going to cover. So everything I will show you practically, and I will explain you, I will teach you a real time. Okay, in how in the organization how it will happens. So same thing I will show it to you here. Okay, so module 2, so other topics, even I will cover all the elements in the JMeter. Okay, if it is important, not important, whatever I have done in my complete experience, I will try to cover all the elements. Okay, so that it will anything once you enter into the organization, if anything will comes, you can easily apply that in your situation, and you can easily move forward. Okay, so these are all the module wise and day wise topics. You can go through the course content after the demo session as well. So almost here I have mentioned 53 days. Okay, so for only JMeter I have mentioned 53 days, but I will try to take little bit more time, and I will try to complete all the things in the expected time. Okay, so I don't want to miss even single topic. I will cover all the things. Okay, don't worry. And coming to the load runner, This is the load runner content. Okay, even few basics will be similar from the JMeter one. So, and apart from that, other things will be added in this load runner content. Okay, so this is about the course content I would like to talk about. So which tools will be learned based on the experience. Okay, for freshers, any one tool will be fine. You can learn any one tool, that will be fine. So if you have any 2 years experience, that then you can learn JMeter, because I hope everyone know nowadays 99% of market will be in JMeter. Only 1% will be on load runner. So that load runner is also moved to JMeter in coming days. So my suggestion was, try to focus more and more on JMeter, but you have to learn both tools. In interview perspective, they are expecting both tools, JMeter and LoadRunner. Okay, so if you want to keep 3+ years of experience, then you have to learn JMeter and LoadRunner with any one APM tool, that is any data trace or AppDynamics. Okay, so it means a little bit engineering knowledge is also important. So this is how you have to be learned based on the experience. You can decide how much experience you would like to include. So these are all the exclusive features of our training. So if possible, because once the training was completed, I'm interested to show you a real-time project. Okay, so whatever I'm currently doing in my organization, what is the process I'm following. So if anyone ready to come to offline, I'm also ready to show it to you my real-time project, how I'm collecting the metrics, how I'm preparing the report, everything. You will also get an opportunity so to see this. So this is one of the exclusive feature of the training. And also, like, uh, I will provide the training based on the Java applications, not only the web tools pet store. I have one real-time project. So whenever the classes started, I will try to include that real-time project from there. Okay, so it is a complete new application, new real-time application. Okay, so don't worry in that. So, and first 10 minutes, do you have a dedicated for doubts clearances? If you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me in that time. And scripting classes will be 1 hour. Every day it will be 1 hour. If possible, we'll try to extend it. Okay, based on the subject, based on the criticality, we'll try to extend it. Okay, and POC, NFR, all these documents I will show you with the real time. Okay, and scripting will be simplified manner. I will try to explain it to you. Okay, so JMeter is very easy. Don't worry, because it is a simple process. Once you learn it, you can apply it to the any real time or any application. It was very easy to do. Okay, and interview questions also will be provided as part of training. Agile methodology, Jira board. Okay, and practical scripting challenges. Nowadays, what are the scripting challenges are I have faced, and all the challenges I will show it to you real time, including Bean Shell and Groovy also. So apart from the different protocols like JDBC, FTP, Bolt connection, all these things I will cover it. REST API also I will cover. Virtual table server, workload modeling, mainly pacing calculations. Okay, so I will cover that part as well. And UI performance testing, like how to collect the lighthouse metrics, all these things I will include it. And also Dynatrace, Grafana, Prometheus. I hope these are the things already I have covered. So all these things will be a part of the training. So till this part, yes. So I'm keep on saying performance testing, right? First of all, how many types of testings we have? Okay, we have two types of testings in the market. One is functional and another one is non-functional. Okay, so functional testing also are of two types: manual testing and automation testing. And non-functional testing will comes in for performance testing. Okay, so functional testing means, first of all, I will explain manual testing. Okay, so what is manual testing? Let me take an example of car. Okay, so first, whenever we are went to the showroom, first what we will see, how the car will be, right? So how this car will looks like, and if the tires was properly fixed or not, and if the steering was correctly rotating or not, and is there any damage will be there. So all these things, all the manual parts, we will look into it, right? So that will be comes under manual testing. Manual testing in software testing is something like how the functionality in positive ways and negative ways. For example, if you take Gmail, okay, so if you are able to log in or not able to log in, we are providing correct username, correct password. Are you able to log in? If you are providing wrong username, wrong password, are you able to log in properly or not? We will look into that. So that is about manual testing. Automation in the sense, automating. It is something like same car, we can take an example. Okay. So automating in the sense, for example, so a seat was there. We are trying to moving seat. Okay. So if we are moving to front, it should move in the front way. If you are moving to back, it should move into the back way, right? And also, if you start the car, it should move front. It should not move back, right? Backward. So all these things we will check it in the automation testing. So coming to the application wise, we are trying to submitting one value. Okay. So instead of submitting, it is not submitting. It is showing something different. So we will checking that. That is called the automation testing. So performance testing. What is performance testing? You can take same example of car. Okay. So you can just check how fast the car is moving, how speed it is moving. In 1 hour, how many kilometers it was moving fast. Okay. And if we are keeping more luggage in the car, okay, if we are trying to keep more luggage in the car, if that car is able to handling or not. Okay. And if we are taking the car from for long drive, how the car will be, any overheat is happening, anything is, we will check all the conditions, right? That is called the performance testing. So in the application wise, for example, if you can take any Flipkart, Amazon, or anything. Okay, so I'm taking one Flipkart application. Okay, when I click on this Flipkart application, okay, how fast it is opening. Okay, and how just we will see any page is loading longer time, how speed the application, how fast it is reacting. Okay, if 1,000 users are trying, for example, I will tell you one good example. So you have a mobile. Okay, so with that mobile, what will happen? Sale time, during the time of sale, the new mobile launch is there, means lot of people are trying to buy that particular product. At that time, what will happen? That particular product will be hit by multiple users. So at that situation, load will be more. So sometimes you can also observe in the Flipkart or Amazon. So bad server, internal server error, or some bad request, or page not found. These type of errors, right? So due to the more load, means that particular product is trying to buy or trying to clicking more than expected users. That's why we are getting the errors. So by using this performance testing, we can clearly give the we can clearly explain the situation, if how many users that particular application can be used, how many users that particular application can be handled, how the application behavior, like how the CPU, how the memory, if we are using more load, how the CPU memory, all the things we will consider. Okay, in coming classes we will see more and more detailed way. Okay, so this is about performance testing, and Monday to Friday the classes will be regular. On Saturday it will be completely doubt session, doubt classes. Okay, if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, you can ask on the Saturday. Okay, and also I will conduct the practical session. I will help you on the resume preparation, uploading the resume and job search. And whenever I will conduct the mock interviews, at that time everyone should be ready. So we have a top MNCs managers with us. So they will trying to interview in the they will sit on in mock interviews panel. So once you got selected for mock interview, definitely we will show you the placements for uh, performance testing good companies. Okay, so this is about my training and achievements and everything. So before that, I would like to include what are the tools I'm going to cover. Okay, we have two tools. I said right, LoadRunner and JMeter. Only two tools is not enough for performance testing, right? So some external tools also we need. I have listed all the external tools, Fiddler, Bad Boy, Blaze Meter, all these things I'm going to cover. API testing using Postman also I will cover, Git, Jenkins, Performance Center, Perfmon, Grafana, database monitoring, AWR reports. So for test data setup, even architecture setup also I will show you. Okay, so all these are the different kind of tools I'm going to cover as part of our training. Okay, so let me show you. First of all, I would like to show you all the tools, how the tools will looks like. And another important thing, I will only provide you all the softwares. No need to install anything or no need to download it from anywhere. Just I will only help you to provide you all the softwares. Okay, don't worry about that. And let me show you how the tools will looks like. So this is the JMeter tools. This is how the JMeter tools look like. Okay. So how all these things will be used, everything we will cover it in coming classes. So this is how the JMeter tool will looks. And let me show you how the LoadRunner tool looks like. So the LoadRunner is having these three are the components. Okay. No need any credentials for LoadRunner. I will provide you the software. Just you can install it in your machine and you can use it. Okay. So these are all the three components in LoadRunner. Once you install the software, you will get these three components. So this virtual user generator is used for scripting purpose. Other two will be test execution and results. So the LoadRunner tool is started opening. So I will show you how it looks like. So I have a version of 2022. So this is a new version. Yes, you can use this version. Okay. So and yeah, this is how the LoadRunner tools will look like, and this is how this script will be in the LoadRunner. So this is how the script. So I will tell you how to do this and everything. So this is how the LoadRunner tool will looks like. And another thing, this is the controller, this is the analysis, this is used for test executions, this is used for reporting purpose. Okay, and I will also show you f12 f12 developer tool. Nowadays in interviews everyone is asking the f12, right? So this f12, how to use this also I will help you. And blaze meter recording also I will show you. This is the blaze meter. So I will show you how to record the blaze meter tool. Okay, and I will also show you bad boy. So this is the bad boy tool. This is used to record the JMeter scripts. Okay, I will show you how to record the script using bad boy, and also I will show you Fiddler. I hope Fiddler is also very important in performance testing. So I will help you how to use this, how to record it. Okay. This Fiddler also I will help you. And also let me show you few things here. So
Nana, electrician will be
please be on mute. Why you are unmuting? Before asking the question, just unmute and you can talk. Okay, so these are all the real time documents of POC, NFR. Okay, and traversal flow document, mainly like critical business transactions. So and test plan documents also I have recent test plan documents, and also how to provide the work estimations. So I will explain you, I will help you. You have to prepare it and you have to submit it as part of the task. Okay, so this is the module 1. And also I will show you as regex. This will be used for both LoadRunner and JMeter tool. I will help you how to use this regex as well. Okay, and apart from that, Postman. Whatever I have listed here, all the tools I will show you in the as part of training. Okay, so this is how the postman will looks like, and how to integrate these postman API requests into JMeter, and also I will help you these postman calls, how to use it in the LoadRunner both. Okay, so this is how the API testing will be. Okay, so these are all the sample APIs. I will help you to learn this postman tool as well. Okay, so this is about Postman, and also what else the other tools we have. JMeter I explained, right? So Jenkins, let me check any link is available for Jenkins. If anything is available, I will show you. Otherwise, whenever our classes starts, right, at that time, I will help you the installation of Jenkins. I will show you. Okay, so I have not bookmarked here. So I will help you in the Jenkins integration also, and I will help you installing the Apache Tomcat, and I will also show you how to use this architecture setup. Okay, I will help you with this InfluxDB, and also like Prometheus data source, how to use the Prometheus, InfluxDB, and also Git. This is how the GitHub looks like. Okay, how to upload the files, how to save the scripts, everything. So nowadays everyone is including all these things, right? And see, this is how the Jenkins, I'm able to find the Jenkins also. So we need to start the server, then only it will up. So this is how the Jenkins looks like. And also I will show you Grafana, the main thing, right? Grafana, and also Dynatrace. Okay, Grafana I will show you, Dynatrace I will show you, and also Perfmon, performance monitor. This is how the performance monitors look like. So how to collect the metrics, and also mainly bottleneck drill down. Okay, let me show you performance tuning profiling tools. Um, so here you can able to see the JVisual VM. So this is how the thread dumps, garbage collections, performance tuning part. We will use this JVisual VM. So I will also cover this JVisual VM as part of our training. So whatever I have listed in this particular sheet, all the tools I will going to cover it. Even MySQL, I have MySQL also. I will help you like how to set up these things. Also, I will show you how to connect the database, how to write the basic queries, everything I will include it in as part of our training classes. Okay, so this is how the database will looks like. So this is about end-to-end my training details and everything. So now you can start asking your questions. If you have any questions, doubts, you can ask me now. You can go ahead and ask me. If you are having any doubts, you can post it on the chat as well. Not a problem.
మేడం ఇప్పుడు అడగొచ్చా?
ఎస్ యూ కెన్. మీరు అడగొచ్చు, తెలుగులో అయినా అడగొచ్చు, నాట్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం. ఎస్
మేడం మీరే టీచింగ్ చేస్తారా?
నేనే టీచ్ చేస్తాను. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టీచ్.
ఓకే మేడం. మేడం ఇది హలో
ఎస్ అడగండి.
లోడర్ మీరు JMeter and LoadRunner చెప్పారు కదా,
అవును. ఎస్
16,000 కి ఈ రెండు టూల్స్ మాత్రం నేర్పిస్తారా? మిగతా గ్రఫాన్ అయ్యే చూపించారు కదా.
ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అన్ని ఇంక్లూడెడ్. Everything will be included as part of this training. In 60 to 70 days, whatever I showed here, all the things will be covered. అన్ని కవర్ అవుతాయి, అన్ని కవర్ చేస్తాను this 60 to 70 days. Yes.
రెజ్యూమ్ కూడా ప్రిపేర్ చేపిస్తారు
Yes.
కదా మేడం?
Yes.
ఓకే మేడం.
And recordings, after completion of the class, you will get the recordings also. Okay.
మ్యామ్ దీనికి ఏమైనా సర్టిఫికేషన్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయా, యాడ్ ఆన్స్?
We will have certifications ఉంటాయి, but yes, we will do JMeter certification, not a problem. Once the course will be completed, we will do it.
ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే లైక్ రెజ్యూమ్ లో
It is not mandatory, not needed. Even 8 years, 9 years also not needed. But అంటే ఎవరైతే అడగట్లేదు ఈ JMeter LoadRunner certification, but if needed, definitely will help you to complete the certification. Okay.
యా.
Timings will be like, I'm thinking it will be from tomorrow also 9 to 10. If you have any timing concerns, please just post with the management. They will help you if any time changes is needed. Okay.
Hi Vidya.
Yes.
This is Swati.
Hi.
How
Hi,
are you?
Swati. Yeah, I'm good, Swati. Yes.
Yeah, I have this timing concern.
Okay.
Like November 2nd, I have a joint Tosca class.
Okay.
Which
At
is
what
on,
time you will be flexible?
For now, they have started the class from 9:30 a.m. IST to 10:30 a.m. IST.
Okay,
If
so
you
8:30
run,
to 9:30 will be flexible for you.
sorry, what is that?
8:30 a.m. IST to 9:30 a.m. IST. Is that fine for you?
Yeah, that would be very helpful for me.
Okay, we'll see. We'll check with management. A lot of people is requesting me to take a class at 8:30. We'll do it.
Mm-hmm.
We'll try
Yeah.
to. Okay.
Yeah, if that is the case, it would be flexible for so many people.
Yes, sure. Definitely will help. We'll do. Okay.
I do have one more question.
Sure, you can.
If I wanted to go with the only load runner testing in the sense, how many topics is gonna cover? I mean, API.
Everything,
Not,
whatever I have mentioned in the demo, all the
Mhm.
topics will be covered in the load runner as well.
Okay, thank you, Vidya. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. And one of the person question is, I'm 2019 passed out. Ma'am, how many years showed ma'am in resume? Okay. Oh, you can keep it 4+ years or 3+ years will be good for you.
మేడం,
Yes.
I am also 2015 passed out.
Yes, you can keep 4+. See, the experience is not a matter, okay? Just once the training is completed, right? How much fast you are learning, based on that, you can keep your experience. Not at all a problem. Even you can keep 5+ also. When you will have a good subject knowledge, if you gain good subject knowledge, then definitely you can keep 5+ also fine.
Okay, madam.
Yes.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, no problem. Any others, any questions? Hi, this is Parvati. I have timing problem. Okay, morning 9:30 to 10, 8:30 to 9:30, it is difficult, Parvati, for you? Okay, no problem. And Lavanya, I'm having 3 years experience in manual, but in performance only basic, right? How can I? Yes, not a problem. So just you can learn this training. You will get a good knowledge, right? You can convert that 3 years experience into this performance testing. Not at all a problem. But my suggestion for everyone is whoever already doing jobs, don't stop working. Okay, continue the working and parallelly you can learn this training. Okay, that is the main thing. Venkateshwarlu, I'm not understanding question. Can you repeat again? Evening times, you are asking about evening classes? Any others, any questions? From tomorrow itself, I will start the basics. Okay, be ready for the tomorrow class. As many topics as I can, I will go. So please, once the class was completed, you can just try to move forward. Okay, so timings, morning, everyone is suggesting, right? I will check with management. Definitely they will confirm you. And whoever the people already added in my group, right, I will post the timings there. Once I will confirm and I will post. Yes, yes.
Hi, madam.
Hi.
This
Your
is
name?
Mahesh. Mahesh,
Yes, hi Mahesh, tell me.
ఇది completely online training section.
Will first 5 days will go online. Okay, so based on the students, whoever done the payments and whoever really ready to take the classes will go offline also. Offline is also available.
Offline timings.
I will let you know. I will let you know. Okay, I will first will prepare a group. In that will post all these things. Okay.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Yeah, thank you. Any other questions, doubts, guys? So feel free to reach out to the management or whoever already in my group. You can just directly post all your doubts, questions in the group or to the management. Definitely, I will be there to help you. Okay, so I will provide you one-on-one guidance also to achieve, and you can easily place the organization. Okay. So if you don't have any doubts, then me only teaches. Offline also, I am only the trainer. Okay, I will only teach us. Okay. Next.
Hi, madam.
Hi, Mahesh. Yes, you can go ahead.
Institute లో అవైలబుల్ గా ఉంటారు మేడం ఇది.
Yes, I will available. Yeah. So, any other questions? Offline classes location. I will share you the location on the group. Okay. So all the numbers I have, right? Your contacts is with me. I will share you the demo video, document, location, all the training class details also. Okay. I will share you all the details.
Vidya, could you please share the course content as well in the group?
Definitely.
Yeah, thank you.
Means fee payment options, right, Venkateshwar? You are asking about. If you have any fees related questions, doubts, you can just check with the management. Next IT career management, you can just check with them. They will guide you. Like if you want to pay it on EMIs, yes, that is also, I think it's available. Just you can check with the management. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Yes. Any other doubts? Any other questions? Okay. So if you don't have any doubts, questions, thanks everyone for joining the class. And I'm ending the session. So once this is done, you will get the video also. Thank you all for supporting us. Have a good day.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Yes, placement assistance will be there. We have a placement assistance. Okay. So once you have completed the course, we will take a mock interviews. Based on the mock interviews, we will place you in the organization. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.